Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to correct over bleached knot. So this is what over bleached knot looks like. I recently uploaded a short on how to bleach knots. You should go check that out. But in case you bleach your knot and it's over bleached just like mine, this is how to correct it so it doesn't look weird. So firstly, I'll be using this Kiss Beauty dye and a toothbrush. This is what worked for me, guys. Just ignore where I put that dye, but that is what makes my job faster and easier. Like if I have to do this, I just want to do it fast and be done with. So now watch how I'm applying that. I am very careful. Remember, this is a bleached knot, so I don't want to make the lace black because this is a black kiss dye, and I don't want to ruin the fact that I've already bleed this knot. So just notice how I'm doing it carefully. The part that is over bleached, it must not be everywhere. Just look out for where it's over bleached. And for this particular wig, this is a 5x5 closure. We'll be styling this wig a center part. So my main focus now is the front part and also the middle part. That is why I created this middle part, so that I would see that middle part and also the front part. I hope you understand. And you guys also notice the part that I'm trying to leave the hair up while correcting the over bleach knot, so that we'll be able to see this well and do it well. Because I'm very serious, if you stain your lace, it will be so hard to take it off. And also if you stain your lace, if you notice that you stain the lace, quickly use the brush to brush it off immediately. Don't allow it to dry up on the lace. Moving on, I'm going to also create a CPART. You guys, I have a well detailed video on how to create a perfect CPART on your 5x5 closure. So I'm going to create a CPART just in case I want to create a CPART on this wig next time, so I will not have to correct again. So I'll create a CPART on the left and CPART on the right. So you guys, after correcting my over bleach knot, I move on to using my hand dryer. This helps me to dry the dye on the hair and also give me a very good result. Now you guys, you can see that we've corrected that over bleach knot and the hair is looking good. This is what the wig looks like after styling. Beautiful, right? So if you want a tutorial on how to style your wigs like this, please let me know in the comment section. We've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.